Good afternoon. For a start, I want to take a photo with you. Who wants to be photographer? Hmm? Yes, you see. Thank you. Let's start. Our world is full of interesting and sometimes inexplicable events. I present to your attention a selection of mysterious photos from the past, some of which historians are unable to give a clear explanation. So, the first photo is astronaut from the Soviet Earth. In 1964, fireman photographer Jim Templeton was taking her photos of his daughter near the Soviet Earth. The Soviet Earth is a bay in the USA. But later, on one of the photos, showed the shape of a man, like an astronaut. But many people says that it was Jim's wife. Next. The lights of Hesdalen. The lights of Hesdalen are flashes of lights in the sky over the central part of Norway. For the first time, it was reported in the 14th, the last century. And the highest activity was observed from early winter of 1981 to summer of 1984. You could see the lights 20 times per week. But unfortunately, the nature of this phenomenon is still unclear. The falling body. This photo was made by Cooper family who moved into their new home. While taking photo from an attic, the body fell to them. Can you imagine their reaction? Yes. Yes. But more no information on this photo is available. But agree, it looks terribly. Yes? Okay. Next, 4 guys in the garden. What do you think? What's wrong in this photo?
I think there is a lot of arms.
Yes, you are right. 4 guys pulled around in the gardens for photos. When the film was shown, it was found that out of nowhere came the super close hand. Can you see it? This hand. The last photo is woman from the Dulles Tower. Do you know these buildings?
Yes.
This is the Twin Towers in New York. Do you remember the air crash in 11 September? Yes, okay. That photos was made after the air crash. And do you know what happened to these buildings? No? Okay. They completely destroyed. And the last question. Do you know what happened to the woman who was standing on the edge of the failure on the right ground? Can you see? Okay. She is alive. Yes, she is alive. How? How did she manage to survive the explosion? It's mysterious. But you shouldn't be afraid. Now these events don't happen because we have an excellent cameras and which shoot very well. And for example, who believes in ghosts? Raise your hand, please. Okay. Why? Why do you believe? They don't exist. I will prove it. Can you? Oh my God. Oh, they exist. But calm down. It's just joke. That's all. Take care of yourself and your relatives.
Thank you.